Have you ever been in need for a quick fix of shaky footage? Maybe it's a travel vlog while walking through a new city, capturing a family vacation, or recording a car ride. In the moment everything looks fine, but when you watch the footage back, the camera shake becomes impossible to ignore. While professional editors have tools to stabilize footage, many people aren't using professional editing software or simply don't want to spend time learning it just to fix one shaky video clip. Sometimes you just want to have a quick way to improve a clip before sharing it with friends, posting it online, or adding it to a project. That's where AI-powered video stabilization can help. Instead of dealing with complicated settings, you can smooth out unwanted camera shake and make your footage look more professional in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stabilize shaky videos and create smoother footage using AI. I'm going to use a video stabilizer in the UniConverter, so for this download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it open, click on the Video Enhancer AI up here. Next, import your video clips. This tool supports batch processing, so that'll make this task much faster. Okay, so now you'll see the Video Enhancer functions on the right side. What we'll need is the stabilizer down here. After you click on it, you can choose from Standard and Sport mode, and you can select the strength with this lever here. I'll first use the Standard mode on these two clips and on the medium strength. I'm gonna also check out different settings later, but now I'll export these, so I'll just click on Export and wait for the process to finish. As you can see, the difference between the original video and this stabilized one on the medium setting is already very noticeable. Let's see what it does if the strength is set to high. I'll also import an extra piece of video here for this round. Again, click on Export. And now let's see. Yes, if you compare these clips to the original ones, you'll immediately see the difference. The Sport mode is made for very shaky footage. But note that the more shaky a video is and the more stabilizing you do to it, the more it'll be cropped, which might result in losing detail from the shot. But all in all, this is a very fast way to fix shaky footage without having a professional video editor. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.